Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to Note Sport. स्टूडेंट्स आज की इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 10th कंप्यूटर का चैप्टर नंबर 3 है इंट्रोडक्शन टू पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग, उसके शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। चैप्टर नंबर 3 इंट्रोडक्शन टू पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग। शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, why are comments important in programming? Answer: comments are used to explain different parts of a program and make the code easier to understand. They also help programmers in reading, maintaining and modifying the program later. Question number 2, discuss 3 basic data types in Python. Answer: 3 basic data types in Python are: integer, stores whole numbers without decimal point, for example 10. Float, stores numbers with decimal point, for example the value of pi, that is 3.14. String, stores text or a sequence of characters, for example hello. Question number 3, describe the difference between integer and float data types in Python. Answer: integer. An integer stores whole numbers without a decimal point, such as 5 or 100. There is no decimal point in integer. Float, a float stores decimal or fractional numbers, such as 5.5 or 3.14. Question number 4, how does the if statement differ from the if-else statement? Answer: if statement. An if statement executes a block of code only when the given condition is true. Now, if-else statement. An if-else statement executes one block when the condition is true and another block when the condition is false. Question number 5, what are logical operators? Name all 3. Answers: logical operators are used to combine 2 or more conditions or to reverse a condition. Types of logical operator. First one is AND operator. Second, OR operator. Third one is NOT operator. Question number 6, how do you get user input in Python? Answer: user input is obtained in Python by using input function. It allows the user to enter the data through the keyboard, which can then be stored in a variable. Question number 7, what is the purpose of the print statement in Python? Answer: the print statement is used to display output on the screen. It can display text, numbers, values of variables and the results of calculations. Example: print hello displays hello. Question number 8, what is operator precedence? Give example. Answer: operator precedence is the order of priority according to which operators are evaluated in an expression. Example: in 2 plus 3 into 4, multiplication is performed first, so the result is 14. As you know, according to the board mass rule, we have to do multiplication first. So by doing multiplication first, the answer will be 14. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ये हमने चैप्टर नंबर 3 के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस कर लिए हैं. इसी तरह से आपको बाकी तमाम चैप्टर्स के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स इस चैनल पे मिल जाएंगे. सो प्लीज़ लाइक द वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. थैंक यू.